Type conversion is the process of converting data one type to another type. Python interpreter automatically perform implicit type conversion without user involvement. In this case, there is no risk of data losing. We know that there is no need of declaring of data type in Python program. The value of x is 29. We get know the type of the variable from the appearance of the object. That 29 is the integer. Let's see it by running the code. If I check the type of y, it prints the float type. If you make an addition between the x and y, it always returns the exact value without loss of any data. Let me run the code and see the type of the z, which is the calculated value of a integer data and a float type data. Yes, their addition is a float type data. The explicit type of conversion is manually changed according to the programmer requirements. Into this data type changing, programmer forces an expression to change into some other specific data type. So there is a risk of data losing. Suppose A is a string type of object which contains some numerical expression. Let first change the string into integer. After transforming string into float, this is the floating value of the string object. This is the another expression after converting string into tuple. This is the set value of a string A. The F hold a list value, which is the type conversion of string A. Those are all the most important type conversion which are discussed into this video. By mastering type conversion, you can manipulate data more efficiently in your Python programming. Thank you for watching my video.